Good morning students. In this session, we will continue with the exercise 7b of ratio and proportion. Question number 16. Question number 16. So what it says, if A, B, C are in continuous proportion, if A, B, C are in continued proportion, prove that A plus B by B plus C, A plus B by B plus C should be equal to A square into B minus C by B square into A minus B. We know already what is meant by continuous proportion. A by B is equal to B by C is equal to K. That means A by B is equal to K. This implies A is equal to B. Similarly, we can say B by C is equal to K. This implies B is equal to CK. So this value of B we can put it here. A is equal to CK into K. Therefore, A is equal to CK square. So we can use these values A and B value. We have to substitute these values in the given equation. So what is the given equation? A plus B by B plus C is equal to A square into B minus C by B square into A minus C. Now we substitute these values. So what is A? CK square. CK square plus B means CK. B means CK by B plus C. B means CK. Plus C, we don't have any value, as it is we have to keep, is equal to A square means CK square whole square. So CK square whole square becomes C square K to the power of 4. Right, into B minus C. B is CK minus C by B square means C square K square, because it is square into A means CK square minus B means CK. B means CK. A means CK square, B means CK. Now simplify. What is common here? CK is common. K plus 1 remains. By here also CK, C count, K plus 1 remains is equal to here C square, 1C, I take the C cube becomes C cube K to the power of 4 into K minus 1 by here 1C and the K also you can take outside. So what happens? C cube, K cube, correct? So what remains here? K minus, so K minus 1, K minus 1, C cube, C cancels, K plus 1, K plus 1 cancels, 3K and 4K. So what remains here? Here K remains, here also only 1K remains here. So K is equal to K, which implies the less is equal to or less. So this is the answer. Note down. So 16th second one, if A, B, C are in continued proportion, prove that A plus B plus C by A minus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C whole square by A square plus B square plus C square. Okay? Now, continued proportion. A, B, C are in continued proportion. Continued proportion. That means A by, this implies A by B is equal to B by C is equal to, let's say, K. This implies A is equal to BK, B is equal to CK. But we can substitute the value of B in A. So what happens? CK into K. That means A is equal to CK square. So A value is CK square, B value is CK. These two values we have to substitute in the one equation. A minus B plus C by A plus B plus C by A minus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C whole square, A square plus B square plus C square. Now substitute the values. A value is CK square plus B value is CK plus C as it is. A value is CK square minus B value is CK plus C is equal to A value is CK square plus B value is CK plus C whole square. A value is C square K to the power of 4 because A square means complete square, that is C square K to the power of 4 plus B square means C square K square plus C square. That's done. Here, what is common? C is common. K square plus K plus 1. By here also we can set C common. K square minus K plus 1 is equal to. Here what is common? C square is common. K square plus K plus 1. By here what is common? C square is common. C square K to the power of 4 plus K square plus 1. So now C square and C cancels. Next up. This is identity LHS K square plus K plus 1 by K square minus K plus 1 is equal to. Here also it is common K square plus K plus 1. But what you have to do? You have to factorize it. You have to factorize it. So I will do factorization here. What happens? K square whole square. Okay, I will write this K to the power of 4. I will add K square, I will subtract K square. So K square plus 1 minus K square. So what I did for this K square, I added 1 K square and I had subtracted 1 K square. So what happens? The value will not change. The value will not change. So what happens here? K square whole square plus 2K square plus 1 minus K square. This becomes. Now this complete, we can take it as A plus B whole square, isn't it? A plus B whole square. So that is K square plus 1 whole square minus K square. Correct. Now what happens here? A square minus B square. So A square minus B square, A plus B into A minus B. That is K square plus K plus 1 K square plus 1 plus K square plus 1 plus K, one factor, K square plus K minus 1, another factor. K square K square plus 1 minus K, another factor. Correct? A square minus B square. So what happened here? This and this will be cancelled. So what remains? This is square, no? So actually this is square. So this is square. So that means 1 cancel. So what remains? K square plus K plus 1 by K square minus K plus 1 is equal to K square plus K plus 1, because 2 K square plus K plus 1 was there, 1 K square plus K plus 1 was cancelled. So what remains in the denominator? K square minus K plus 1. So LHS is equal to RHS. So you note down this point in your notebook. Okay? So I have written factorization. How I did factorization? By adding 1 K square and subtracting 1 K square. Then what happens? The first 3 terms becomes A plus B whole square expansion. A square plus 2AB plus B square. And minus K square as it is. So now it becomes A plus B whole square, K square plus 1 whole square minus K square. Again we have to use the identity A square minus B square. A plus B into A minus B. So note down this sum. Now 16th third one, if A, B, C are in continued proportion, prove that A square plus AB plus B square by B square plus BC plus C square is equal to A by C. Same procedure I am following. If A by B is equal to B by C, then is equal to K, then what is A value, what is B value, what you wrote in the previous sum, that only you have to copy. Now I have to substitute the values. A square plus AB plus B square by B square plus BC plus C square is equal to A by C. Now I will substitute the values. What is A square? A means C K square. A square means C square K to the power 4. Correct? Plus A means C K square. B means C K. Plus B square means C square K square. B square means C square K square. Plus B means C K into C. Plus C square as it is equal to A means C K square. By B means C K. Correct? Now what is common here? C square K square is common. C square K square is common. What remains? C square went off, K square also went off, only K square remains. Plus C square went off, K cube is there, only K remains. Plus 1 remains. By here what is common? C square is common. What remains? K square plus K plus 1 is equal to, here C cancels, only K remains. Now here also cancel, here also cancel. C square K to the power of 4, C square K cube, C square K square. So C square will come out, K square also will come out, K square K cube K to the power of 4, K square come out, K square by K plus 1. Here C square come out, so A means C K square, B means C K cancels. So what remains here? So K square will remain. So but so make corrections over here. I wrote A value as C K square, but I wrote B value. So but not B value. This is C. Only C have right. C cancels. Here K square remains. So this implies K square is equal to K square. This implies LHS is equal to RHS. Note on this. So I am doing 16th main 4th one. If A, B, C are in continued proportion, prove that A plus B plus C into A minus B plus C is equal to A square plus B square plus C square. Same procedure. So I wrote everything here only. I will substitute. A plus B plus C into A minus B plus C is equal to A square plus B square plus C square. So A means what? Ck square plus B means Ck plus C as it is. A means what? Ck square minus B means what? Ck plus C as it is equal to A square means what? C square k to the power of 4 plus B square C square k square plus C square as it is. So what is common here? C common k square plus k plus 1. Next, here what is common? Here also C common. So k square minus k plus 1 is equal to. Here what is common? C square is common. K to the power of 4 plus k square plus 1. So here C square into k square plus k plus 1 into k square minus k plus 1 is equal to C square as it is. So you have to factorize. So what we did in the previous sum, k square whole to the power of 4 plus 2k square, I am adding 1k square plus 1 and I am subtracting 1k square. So this is completely k square plus 1 whole square minus k square. K square plus 1 plus k 1 factor, k square plus k minus 1 another factor. Minus k plus 1 is another factor. So that I read it. So that I will write it. K square plus 1 plus k 1 factor, k square minus k plus 1 another factor. So now you compare LHS and RHS, both are equal, therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Note on this sum. So fifth one I am giving homework. You have to solve it. Okay? So 17.1, if A, B, C, D are in continuous proportion, prove that B plus C into B plus D is equal to C plus C into C plus D. So A, comma, B, comma, C, comma, D are in continued proportion. So therefore A by B is equal to B by C is equal to C by D is equal to KC. So this implies A is equal to BK, B is equal to CK, C is equal to DK. Now A is equal to BK, A is equal to BK means CK into K. That is A is equal to CK square 1. Correct? Now C value also is there. So therefore A is equal to C means BK square. That is A is equal to BK cube. So this is A value. Now B is equal to C means what we can substitute dk into k. So B is equal to dk square. So this is C value same. So these three values we have to substitute. So now what is so B plus C into B plus D is equal to C plus A into C plus D. So what is B? dk square. Plus what is C? dk. What is D? dk square. Plus what is D? D we don't have. So what is C? dk. Plus what is A? dk cube. C. What is C? dk. Plus what is D? We don't have. So what is common here in this? dk common. So k square plus 1 remains. Here d common. K square plus 1 remains. Here dk common. So 1 plus k square or k square plus 1. Here d common, k plus 1. C means what? dk. D means C plus D. C plus D. Right. K plus 1. So that is d square k into k plus 1 whole k plus 1 into k square plus 1 is equal to d square k into k square k plus 1 into k square plus 1. So LHS is equal to RHS. This implies LHS is equal to RHS. Just you have to substitute these values in the given equation. Then you will get the LHS and RHS are equal. So note on this one. This is first main. Second main I am giving homework. Second main homework. Okay. So, third one, you have to prove a square minus b square into c square minus d square is equal to b square minus c square whole square. This procedure is same, so I didn't write anything. So I will take the equation now, a square minus b square, c square minus d square is equal to b square minus c square whole square. Substitute the value of a square means b square. This square, that is 3 into 2, k cube whole to the power of 2. That is 6, k to the power of 6, minus b square means b square k to the power of 4, correct? C square means b square k square, minus d square we don't have, is equal to b square means d square k to the power of 4, minus c square means d square k square whole square. Now what is the common values here? K to the power of 4 and d square is common. D square k to the power of 4. What remains? K square remains, minus 1 remains. Here d square is common. K square minus 1 remains. Is equal to here d square k square common. D square d to the power of 4 k to the power of 4 common, because square we are getting outside. So d square k square is common out means what remains? K square minus 1 remains, whole square remains. So now here d square d to the power of 4 k to the power of 4 k square minus 1 whole square is equal to d to the power of 4 k to the power of 4 k square minus 1 whole square. This implies LHS is equal to RHS. So both are equal. LHS is equal to RHS. So this is question number 3. So fourth one I am doing homework 17th and 4th May. So note on this. So now 18, if A is equal to By is equal to Cz, prove that x square by yz plus y square by zx plus z square by xy is equal to Bc by a square plus Ca by b square plus Ab by c square. Now given Ax is equal to By is equal to Cz is equal to k. Say, therefore x is equal to a by k, y is equal to b by k, z is equal to x is equal to k by x is equal to k by a, sorry, x is equal to k by a, y is equal to k by b, z is equal to k by c. So that we have to substitute in the given equation. So what happens? X square by yz plus y square by zx, z square by xy, bc by a square plus ca by b square plus ab by c square. So x means what? K square by a square by y means k by b into z means k by c plus y square means k square by b square by z means k by c into x. X means k by a plus what happens now? Z square. Z means k square by c square. By x means k by a into y means k by b is equal to bc by a square plus ca by b square plus ab by c square. Now what happens? K square by a square into bc by k square. So I am taking the reciprocal. Plus k square by b square into ca by k square plus k square by c square into ab by k square cancels is equal to bc by a square plus ca by b square plus ab by c square. Now what remains in LHS? bc by a square, ca by b square, ab by c square is equal to bc by a square, ca by b square plus ab by c square. So LHS is equal to RHS. So proved, isn't it? So note on this. So 19th question is x is by b plus c minus a, y by b c plus a minus b, z by a plus b minus c. Prove that each ratio is equal to this. Also you have to show. Now what is given condition? X by b plus c minus a is equal to y by c plus a minus b is equal to z by a plus b minus c is equal to k. So therefore what happens? X value k into b plus c minus a, y value k into c plus a minus b, z value k into a plus b minus c. Now we can so now we have to prove each ratio is equal to this. Each ratio is equal to this. Now observe here. So in this case, if you substitute, so if we add both x plus y plus z numerators, then b plus c minus a plus c plus a minus b plus a plus b minus c is equal. If we add the given condition, numerator and denominator. So what happens? X plus y plus z. Here cancellation is there. Minus a plus a, minus b plus b, minus c plus c. Isn't it? What remains? A plus b plus c. A plus b plus c. So that means each ratio is equal to this. So prove that each ratio is equal to x plus y plus z by a plus b plus c means what we should do? We should add numerators and we should add denominators. So finally what we get, that is the answer. Now one more thing they are told, you have to prove this b minus c into x plus c minus a into y plus a minus b into z is equal to 0. Now b minus c as it is, what is x value? A into b plus c minus a plus c minus a as it is. What is y value? K into c plus a minus b plus a minus b as it is. Z value k into a plus b minus c. Now multiply b into b minus c into kb plus kc minus K plus C minus A into KC plus K minus KB plus A minus B into K plus KB minus KC. So you have to prove is equal to 0. Afterwards is proved. Now B into B square K, B into KC, BC K, B into minus K minus ABK. Okay? Minus BCK. Minus into plus minus KC square. Correct? Minus into minus plus. What happens here? KAC or ACK. ACK. So this is multiplied now. Now C into KC. KC square. C into K. ACK. C into KB. Minus BCK. Minus A into KC. ACK minus ACK. Minus into plus minus AK square. Minus into minus plus plus ABK. ABK. Plus one more. A into KA. A square K. A into KB, KAB. A into KC, minus ACK. Minus B to minus KAB, or ABK. Minus into plus, minus B square K. Minus into minus, plus BCK is equal to 0. Now calculation we can say B square K minus BCK plus BCK minus BCK cancels. Minus ABK plus ABK cancels. Minus KC square plus KC square cancels. Plus ACK minus ACK cancels. Plus ACK minus ACK cancels. Minus BCK plus BCK cancels. Minus AK square plus A square K. Minus AK square minus KAB. KAB. So a to the power of 4 plus a square, b square means ac, plus this is b square whole square by this is b square whole square upward substitute. B square means ac into c square plus c to the power of 4 is equal to a square by c square. A to the power of 4 plus a square a cube c plus b square means b square means ac, ac square means a square c square by here b square means a square c square plus ac cube plus c to the power of 4 is equal to a square by c square. So what is common? A square is common. What remains? A square plus AC plus C square. Here A square common, C square common, C square common, A square plus AC plus C square is equal to A square by C square. So this one is cancels. So this implies a square by c square is equal to a square by c square. LHS is equal to RHS. So note down this sum. So by this I will end up this session. In the next session I will start with some useful results on ratio and proportion, that is invertendo, alternando, componendo, dividendo, componendo and dividendo properties. Using that properties, how can we solve exercise 7C? That we will discuss. Okay? Thank you.